In the vast cosmos of the human body, nestled deep within the intricate structures of our brain, lies a tiny, pea-sized gland known as the pineal gland. Often, this remarkable gland has been referred to as the third eye, for it has unique qualities that link it to the mystical and metaphysical realms, and yet, it also plays a very pragmatic role in our daily lives. The pineal gland is located in the geometrical center of the brain, giving it a unique advantage, not unlike a control tower in an airport, overseeing and coordinating the activities of the entire neurological system. Its position deep within the brain allows it to interact with various biochemical processes and mechanisms, including the production of chemicals like melatonin. Melatonin, as you might know, is the chemical that regulates our sleep-wake cycles, making the pineal gland our body's internal timekeeper. By responding to the light and darkness of our environment, the pineal gland orchestrates the rhythm of our lives. It's fascinating to note that the pineal gland's sensitivity to light has often been associated with the concept of inner light in Chinese medicine. This ancient discipline considers the pineal gland as a portal that can illuminate our inner self and our external reality. By enhancing the function of the pineal gland, practitioners believed that they could attain clarity of thought, better health, and even spiritual enlightenment. One such practice involves the application of crystals or diamonds at a specific acupuncture point to enhance the pineal gland's function. This practice is believed to bring about a resonance with inner sight or intuition, providing clarity and a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. Such practices, hailing from ancient times, show a profound respect and understanding of the body's intricate systems that we, in our modern world, are still trying to fully comprehend. Now, you might ask how this relates to contemporary trends like body piercing. Well, the key difference lies in the mindfulness of the practice. Ancient practices were not about mere aesthetics or fashion. They were about connecting with the internal mechanisms of the body, enhancing their function, and achieving a higher state of consciousness. They recognized that each point in our body, each gland and organ, was a part of a larger system, a system that needed to be nurtured and respected. Beyond its physical role, the pineal gland is also linked to our perception. The gland, in concert with our heart, creates a dance of illumination and resonance within us. The pineal gland regulates the light, while our heart resonates with the feelings and emotions we experience. Together, they shape our perception of the reality around us. Our senses, aided by the pineal gland and the heart, project a version of reality that is curated by our brain. This is a fascinating aspect to consider. Our perceived reality, then, is not an absolute truth. It's a construct of inner resonance and external stimuli. This construct is constantly refined and modified by the interactions of our senses with our environment and our internal world. It is a blend of the outside world's objective reality and the subjective reality created by our internal resonance. Everything that we perceive is a projection of our mind, shaped by our senses, emotions, and experiences. Our reality is a beautiful symphony of these projections, resonating in harmony to create the intricate and complex world that we perceive. This dance of projection and resonance is not a static process. It is dynamic, changing with every passing moment, with every heartbeat. We must remember that maintaining a balance in this dance is crucial for our perception of reality. Too much projection, without sufficient reprieve, can distort our reality, skewing our perceptions and leading to stress and discontent. Stress, concentration, and even daydreaming play significant roles in modifying our projected reality. When under stress, our perception of reality can be clouded, making it difficult for us to make rational decisions. On the other hand, concentration can help us focus our perceptions, allowing us to achieve our goals more efficiently. Daydreaming, on the contrary, allows our mind to wander, to explore uncharted territories, and to create new realities. This free exploration of the mind, this ability to construct new realities, is crucial for our creativity and problem-solving capabilities. It's essential to realize that our reality is not a monolith. It's an amalgamation, a composite of our individual and collective perceptions. Our individual perceptions, shaped by our experiences, emotions, and thoughts, come together and resonate in harmony with the collective perceptions of society. This composite reality is what shapes our world, our societies, and indeed, our very selves. So, as we navigate through this intricate dance of projection and resonance, it's crucial to remember the role of our third eye, the pineal gland, in shaping our reality. The more aware we are of this inner timekeeper, the better we can resonate with our surroundings, creating a reality that is balanced, harmonious, and conducive to our growth and well-being. As we delve deeper into the roles and functions of the pineal gland, it's intriguing to note how this tiny organ has such a profound impact on our everyday lives. This third eye, as it's often referred to, is not just a physical entity within the confines of our brain. It serves as a bridge, linking our physical world with the metaphysical and spiritual aspects of our existence. This interaction between the physical and metaphysical planes is a dance of light and resonance. The physiological functions of the pineal gland, such as the production of melatonin, are akin to the physical light that guides our biological systems. Simultaneously, the metaphysical aspects of the gland, its role in perceptions and emotions, resonate within us, creating an inner light that illuminates our consciousness. Our perception of reality is shaped by this dance of light and resonance. The pineal gland, along with our heart and the rest of our sensory organs, projects a version of reality that is curated by our brain. Our senses gather information from the external world and channel it to the brain. The brain, in turn, processes this information, creating a subjective reality that is unique to each one of us. Imagine the pineal gland as a projector, constantly flashing images onto the screen of our consciousness. These images are not just visual but encompass all our sensory experiences. The beautiful colors of a sunrise, the melodious notes of a song, the tantalizing aroma of a delicious meal, the comforting touch of a loved one, even the complex emotions and thoughts that flit through our minds. All these experiences combine to form our perception of reality, our unique understanding of the world. Now, this projection is not a one-way process. It's a dynamic interplay of projection and resonance. As our senses project the external world onto our consciousness, our internal resonance shapes how we perceive these projections. Our experiences, emotions, beliefs, all these factors resonate within us, influencing how we interpret the sensory data. So, our reality is a construct, a carefully crafted mosaic of our sensory perceptions and our internal resonance. Each tile in this mosaic is a fragment of our reality, uniquely colored by our personal experiences and beliefs. Together, these tiles form a beautiful tapestry, our unique perception of reality. Maintaining a balance between projection and resonance is crucial in this process. Too much projection, without adequate resonance, can lead to a distorted view of reality. It's like watching a movie without sound. You see the images but lack the depth and fullness of the experience. On the other hand, too much resonance, without sufficient projection, can detach us from the external world, trapping us within our own minds. Interestingly, our perception of reality is not a fixed entity. It's ever-changing, shaped by our evolving experiences and emotions. Certain factors, like stress, concentration, and even daydreaming, can significantly modify our projected reality. Stress, for instance, can cloud our perceptions, making it difficult for us to perceive reality accurately. It's like a fog that descends over our consciousness, blurring the images on the screen of our mind. On the other hand, concentration can sharpen our perceptions, creating a focused, well-defined image of reality. Then there's daydreaming, a process often dismissed as a diversion or waste of time. But in reality, daydreaming is a creative process that allows us to explore alternate realities. As we let our minds wander, we construct new scenarios, solve complex problems, and create novel ideas. This ability to modify our reality, to construct new ones, is a testament to the immense power and potential of our mind, guided by the light of the pineal gland. Our reality is not just an individual construct but a composite entity shaped by our collective perceptions. Each one of us, with our unique perceptions, contributes to this collective reality. Our individual realities resonate with each other, creating a harmonious symphony that defines our collective reality. This harmony is crucial for the functioning of our society, for the evolution of our species. The pineal gland, our third eye, is the conductor of this grand symphony. It guides the rhythm, the tempo of our lives, balancing the projection and resonance, the physical and metaphysical, the individual and collective, creating a harmonious dance of light and resonance that defines our reality. So, as we navigate through our lives, it's important to be aware of this intricate dance, to understand the powerful role of our pineal gland. This awareness can help us better understand ourselves, our perceptions, and our reality. It can guide us in our journey towards self-awareness, towards a balanced, fulfilling life. As we continue on this journey of understanding the pineal gland, it's important to appreciate its link to ancient wisdom and practices. For instance, in traditional Chinese medicine, the pineal gland is associated with the concept of inner light. It is believed to be the seat of our consciousness, the source of our spiritual energy, our qi. By cultivating this inner light, we can achieve balance and harmony, promoting overall wellness and longevity. These ancient practices embrace the intricate systems of our body, respecting the balance between the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of our existence. For instance, acupuncture, an ancient Chinese therapeutic practice, used crystals or diamonds at a specific point to invoke resonance with inner sight. This was done to stimulate the pineal gland, to enhance its functions, and to promote overall health and wellness. Interestingly, there is a striking contrast between these ancient practices and contemporary trends, particularly in body modification. Today, many people opt for piercings without understanding their impact on the body's intricate systems. While there is nothing inherently wrong with such practices, it's important to ensure that they do not disrupt the body's delicate balance. These ancient practices remind us of the importance of mindfulness and respect for our bodies. Understanding the pineal gland's role and its connection with our heart and perception can help us appreciate this sense of balance and harmony. The heart, with its rhythmic beating, is not just a physical organ that pumps blood through our body. It's also an emotional center, resonating with our feelings and emotions. Together with the pineal gland, the heart shapes our perception of reality, creating a dance of illumination and resonance. The pineal gland, our third eye, and the heart, our emotional core, function in a delicate balance. The pineal gland projects our reality, while the heart provides the emotional resonance. Together, they create a symphony of experiences that define our perceived reality. This intricate dance between the pineal gland and the heart, between projection and resonance, is what shapes our unique perception of reality. Our senses, guided by the pineal gland, project a version of reality that is curated by our brain. These projections are then resonated within us, shaped by our emotions and experiences. This process of projection and resonance is dynamic, ever-changing, shaped by our internal and external environments. Maintaining a balance between projection and reprieve is crucial in this process. Too much projection, without sufficient reprieve, can lead to a distorted perception of reality. On the other hand, too much reprieve, without adequate projection, can lead to detachment, a loss of connection with the external world. Our perception of reality is also shaped by factors like stress, concentration, and daydreaming. Stress can cloud our perceptions, creating a distorted reality. Concentration sharpens our perceptions, bringing clarity and focus. Daydreaming allows us to explore alternate realities, to create novel ideas and solutions. Our reality, therefore, is not a fixed entity. It's a composite, shaped by our individual and collective perceptions. Each one of us contributes to this composite reality, our perceptions resonating with each other, creating a harmonious symphony. The beauty and richness of our reality lie in this diversity, in the multitude of perceptions that come together to form a cohesive whole. In conclusion, understanding the role of the pineal gland, the third eye, can significantly enhance our understanding of ourselves and our reality. It can help us appreciate the intricate dance of projection and resonance, the dynamic interplay between our senses and our emotions. By cultivating this understanding, we can achieve balance and harmony in our lives, promoting overall wellness and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey of understanding the pineal gland and its profound impact on our perceptions and reality. If you found this video insightful, do remember to subscribe and like for more such content. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the fascinating world within and around us.